Hi, my name is Joe with 3D to Life Design Studios, and I'm making a video to discuss how you can fix scan alignment issues in 3Shape. Now, we offer this as a service to help other labs that do not have the 3Shape software. If you do have the 3Shape software and you've got the Crown and Bridge module and the OpenSTL access, this should be no problem for you. Go ahead and follow along in the remaining steps. Now, to give a little background why people may encounter this, simply put, there's a lot of different software companies and there's a lot of different intraoral scanning companies. Some of them have software, some of them don't. And as a lot of labs find whenever they're using their host design lab software, that some of the intraoral scans are not exactly compatible with their system. Or they may want to use something where they've used a scan from a previous timeline and that scan just does not align with that scan that the doctor has recently submitted. Now, the reason for that has to do with geographical, three-dimensional, and virtual space coordinates. Something that we don't really talk about or see, but it's something that's definitely happening in the software. When you create a scan on timeline A, the zero coordinate could be very different in relation to the model in comparison to scan B at a different timeline. So you may be able to import the same models, and although they may be the same data, maybe they're the same patient just a couple months apart, the information could have changed drastically, and as such, the aligned models will essentially not be aligned. So, back to the fact that we need a function to fix those alignment issues. Thankfully, 3Shape is there for us, and I'm going to show you that in the next steps. Enjoy.
Hi everybody, this is Joe with 3D to Life Design Studios, and we're continuing the part of the video where we describe how to correct an alignment issue. So we're here in dental systems. We're going to start out by creating a new order. And the important thing when you're setting this up is you just at least apply the restoration to the proper arch where you're working. In this case, it's an upper. So we're just going to set up a fake crown. Now in the scan settings, we're going to select digital impression, and we're going to use the antagonist function, and we're going to make sure we set a wax up or pre-preparation copy. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to import scans. So first we're going to need the upper jaw. Now we're going to select the upper abutment scan because we know this one is already aligned to the lower. The upper gingiva scan is the one that's a problem and needs to be aligned to the abutment scan. So we're going to do this one first because it has a proper alignment with the lower. And then the gingiva. Now we're actually going to essentially act like we're designing the case here. Had a weird error message, got that fixed though. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick preview and see that, wow, those are not aligned very well. The antagonist relation with the upper is good. We've got nothing protruding through the models, just the prep scan's no good. So we're going to go over to additional scans. We're going to go to align and move. Now I'm going to move this model out of the way to the side and just position them so I can see both of the models. Then we're going to go to points, 3-point alignment. We're going to find matching points. So I like these points. We're going to do the same on this model. And click align. Now you can see that it's going to do the alignment, and it did it very well. I don't see a whole lot of problems with this. The discrepancies that I see are pretty normal. Overall, everything seems to be overlapping very nice. Now that we have this, we're going to save all of these models, and we're going to select the Keep Additional Information, select the model, Save. And this is going to be in the DCM format. So we're not quite ready for STLs yet. All right, once we have these saved, we can close the case. We don't have to do anything with it. We're going to create a new one. Same setup exactly. Now the reason why we go about creating a second case is because if we wanted to keep the alignment out of the original case, we would have had to go through Model Builder, and that takes a lot of time. So now we're going to select the same scans, but we're going to select the DCM version. Now before we're done, we're just going to check the 3D preview and see if everything's still aligned properly, which it seems to be all good here. Really happy with the results. Close. Advanced. Export scan. Make sure we select the STL option. This will be the upper scan body. This will be the upper gingiva and the lower scan. Open our folder. All three are here. They're ready to go. I'm ready to give these back to the customer. You can see this is a very easy thing to do. If you have the 3Shape software with all the modules and you're able to gain access to the Dental Designer Suite, you can do this. Now if you don't, you can come to us and we'll happily do this. Like I said, we've got a fixed scan fee for $5, and we've got an align and fixed scan fee for $8. We can have this turned around in 1 hour time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any more questions, email us at info@3dtolife.com. Thank you.